Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: battery above 30%, a reliable Wi-Fi or USB link, and that you know the primary Google account on the phone. Once you have those, make sure ADB is installed on your PC and that the device had USB debugging enabled previously. This matters because ADB can bypass lock screens without wiping data when allowed. If USB debugging wasn't enabled, you still proceed to alternatives I'll show next. Don't skip the account recovery checks, they save time. Now you execute the core actions. If USB debugging was active, connect via ADB and pull the keyguard or lock settings database, then modify or remove the lock entries. This directly unlocks without data loss. If ADB is unavailable, try Google Find My Device to trigger Smart Lock or change device settings remotely. This can unlock certain models. For manufacturer phones, use official OEM toolkits or repair mode utilities, which can reset the lock mechanism while preserving user data. Make sure to follow exact commands and back up pulled files. Finish by rebooting the phone and immediately verifying you can access the Google account, apps, photos, and contacts. This confirms data integrity. If the lock still appears, boot into recovery mode and attempt non-destructive repairs like cache wipes or apply the modified file again. Make sure to keep previously pulled backups. If those steps fail, one key troubleshooting tip: visit an authorized repair service and request a data preserving unlock. Trained technicians can often salvage user data without a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.